guys, my name is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, I welcome all of you. Well, in today's video, I'll be creating this smudged eyeliner look. It's super simple. It looks a little complicated, but trust me, it's not. You know, I create this look very often whenever I'm going out. So hence I got this request from my friends and a lot of people who follow me on Instagram. They wanted to learn this look. So I decided let's create this, and I'm going to keep it very simple. And so in case if you don't know how to apply a winged eyeliner and you're really bad in holding the eyeliner brush and creating a sharp wing, don't worry. I'm going to keep the steps very simple and easy for all of you, and I'm sure even if you're a beginner, you can achieve this look. So don't worry, just keep watching the video and learn this look with me. And also guys, a little reminder to subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet, and also once you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment below. But yeah, thank you so much guys, those who are supporting me and showing your love, thank you so much. Now let's begin this video and learn this look. Okay, so the first step whenever you start any eye makeup is to conceal the eyelid properly, especially, you know, in this kind of makeup, you know, when I want my liner to really stand out and I want my eyelids to be a little lighter in shade. So I've used this concealer from Born This Way. I've applied it all over my eyelid. I'll set this concealer using a translucent powder. I'll be using Morphe James Charles palette. Basically, I just want nice shades of brown for contouring my crease and creating that little shadow of brown on my eyelid. So I'm using this shade right now and taking my Morphe brush. This is JH32. It's a really light shade, so I'm just patting it all over my eyelid now. Now I'm taking this shade, this is like this light brown shade, okay, and the same brush. This is a blending brush actually. So I'm just applying it on the crease, but just half crease. I'm not going all the way inside. I'm taking this shade now, and this is what I'll apply now, a little bit on the crease and a little bit in the outer corners. Now I'm taking a flat brush and going back with this lightest shade that I have here, like more to the skin color. So I'm applying this shade on the lid, and also I'm taking it all the way to the inner corner. So to create like a really sharp wing liner, you can always use some tape. So I usually don't use it. I'm so used to applying wing liner on myself. But just to show you guys how you can use the tape, I'm using it in this video. Okay, so I've got my tape on now. Either you can use a black pencil or a gel eyeliner, whatever you are comfortable with. So I'll first start with a gel eyeliner. I'm taking this eyeliner brush. Now this is from Sigma. Taking really less eyeliner, you don't take too much. Okay, so I'm just drawing like a flick here. Okay, and a very thin eyeliner here, because this is what we will be smudging. So apply a very thin, because anyways when you'll smudge it will become more broader. Okay, so this is how the eyeliner looks right now. I just ended the eyeliner somewhere here. I'm not taking it all the way to the inner corner because I want like a really thin line here. So this is what I'll do later. So I'm taking this pencil brush, like this is from Morphe again, it's called JH39, and I'll very lightly, I'll start blending this eyeliner. Don't wait for too long, otherwise your eyeliner will start becoming very dry and it will get difficult to smudge this. Now I'm taking my eye pencil, this one is from Faces, and I'm applying it in the upper waterline. Now from my inner corner, I'm just drawing a very thin line close to my lash line and just joining it till here, till the point I applied that gel liner. So I always like the inner corner part to be very thin, and that's the reason I don't smudge a lot of pencil or eyeliner in that area. I will keep the smudging part only till here, only till the middle of my eyelid, or maybe take it slightly till here, you know, where my lashes start. Going back to that Morphe palette, I'm taking this dark brown shade and the same pencil brush, and I'll just smudge that brown shade on top of this eyeliner. Let me quickly finish all this on this eye as well. Okay, so if you want to add more, you know, transitions in this eyeliner, you want to add more color, go ahead and keep smudging the color, you know, towards the wing side. So what I'll do now is I'll just take a little brown or this rust brown shade, okay, dipping it in a brush like this. Now this is a blending brush, but it has little stiff bristles, so I'm using this one. Very lightly on top of this liner, I'm just smudging it. Applying some highlighter on the brow bone. Alright, time to take out these tapes and see what we have created. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Alright, so I'm taking some concealer and applying the concealer now under my eyes, just to brighten up the under eye area. Be very careful not to spoil this. Applying some loose powder. I'm gonna leave this loose powder under my eyes for a few minutes just to brighten up the under eye area. Till then, I will finish, you know, smoking out the lower lash line. I really feel like playing with colors right now since I'm wearing such a bright pink jumpsuit. So I'm gonna smudge pink color in the lower lash line. Now a beige pencil in the waterline to open up the eyes a little. Okay, time to remove all this powder. Also, I'll quickly go apply my lashes and finish rest of this makeup. Okay, so I'm back after applying my lashes and some lipstick and blusher. And this is the final look, guys. Absolutely in love with this look. Let me give you guys a close-up. Please do try this, and whenever you do that, do not forget to tag my Instagram handle, which is called Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I loved creating this. So thank you so much for watching it, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep showing your love and support. And yeah, I'm gonna come up with more makeup videos very soon. So take care, guys. Bye. I'll see you all soon.